Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable Gallery Labs in your Samsung smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to your Gallery application. Once you open the application, from there, you need to tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on that one, then go to Settings. So once you tap on Settings, you need to scroll down where you will find the option about gallery. You need to tap on that one, and here you need to tap on the version a few times, just like this, and then the message will appear. As you can see, the Gallery Labs is enabled. So now you go back, then scroll down in the settings, and you will find Gallery Labs here. So once you tap on that one, and here now you will find a bunch of new options, settings options that you can use for your gallery. So guys, this is all it takes to enable Gallery Labs in your Samsung smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.